Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today we'll be cleaning a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. And yeah, I know I haven't been making videos in a long time, but I'm back and hopefully I'll be able to make more in the future. So stick around and be sure to watch me clean this car.
The owner of the vehicle reached out to me through Facebook while I was at work, and I was pretty surprised, mainly because I haven't made any new videos lately, and I'm always happy to clean cars. It's something that I find enjoyable, especially seeing going from dirty to clean. I think that's very satisfying. So the owner of the vehicle wanted me to do the interior and exterior of the vehicle. I first start off with a pre-wash, making sure I get all the nook and crannies of the vehicle, and then later on I'll be using some soap to clean it with my wash mitt. So what I'm doing right now is the 2-bucket method, where one bucket has soap and water while the second one has water. The reason of doing this is because if the car has, let's say, tiny rock particles and dirt, then I don't want to spread it to the other parts. So here I cleanse it of any impurities and then add more soap and then continue on. I just want to let people know that if you know me personally and you're interested in my services, please feel free to reach out to me. I don't bite unless you're a chicken nugget. So what I'm using right now is a microfiber drying towel. It is amazing, especially for vehicles this sizes. I only have to use one of these and it dries it so well. So right here I'm using ICKY's tire and wheel cleaner using a 10-to-1 solution. I'm spraying it all over the wheel and the rims to make sure I get it everywhere. Then after that I wait a little bit to make sure it absorbs and it does the job. Then I'm using the mother's wheel and tire brush to get the dirt off. After that I'll use the mother's wheel brush and tire cleaner to make sure I get everything in there and get all the dirt off. Up next is everyone's favorite, the vacuuming. So when I start the interior, I make sure to vacuum the vehicle the seats, the carpets, so that when I get to the carpet cleaning in the seats and the carpets, it just makes my life a lot easier. A lot of the dirt is already gone and it looks nice. So this new tool that I'm using is the Lily Brush Mini Pet Hair Remover. It takes care of all hairs that's there very easily. So right here I'm using the Chemical Guys Citrus Fabric Carpet Cleaner to spray onto the carpet, after which I will use the drill brush attachment, the soft brush, to scrub it all over the carpet to make sure I activate the soap and it gets really good in there and lifts all the dirt. Once I'm done using the drill brush, I go with the Bissell Portable Carpet Cleaner. I do a couple of passes to make sure I pick up all the dirt, the soap, and to make sure I keep it dry. I always start off with the driver's side first, so it has time to dry off, because I don't want to give the driver their car with a wet seat, wet carpets. It just looks bad for me. So a fun little fact is, when I was bringing my materials over to the other side, I accidentally dropped the bottle. So I ended up changing the caps and I had to refill it again. So I wasted the whole bottle because it went underneath the car. In case anyone was curious as to where I got everything and what I used, I make sure to leave everything in the description of the video, so if you click see more, you can see everything listed that I used. So right now I'm using McGuire's all-purpose cleaner, a 10 to 1 solution. I add a little bit onto the surface as well as my microfiber towel. It does amazing work and I highly recommend it. I add the McGuire's APC solution onto the gas and brake pedals to make sure I leave it clean, and then I use the McCulloch steamer to get that dirt off and just wipe it all off.